Thank you for taking the time to learn more about University Middle and High School Academies located in Lathrop Village, Michigan. My name is Marcia Williams, and I am the Dean of what I unequivocally believe are two of the best places for learning in Oakland County and in the state of Michigan. On behalf of our Assistant Dean, Mr. Harry Patton, our faculty and staff, we invite you to learn more about what we call the Uni Difference. U.S. News and World Report, The Daily Beast, and other publications recognize University Middle and High School Academies as one of the best schools in America. We offer high school preparatory classes, pre-AP courses, the Advanced Placement Capstone Diploma Program, Fine and Performing Arts, and much more. Beginning with our first graduating class, the class of 2012, and every class thereafter, 100% of our seniors have graduated on time and were accepted into 2- and 4-year institutions of higher education. Our scholar success is our #1 priority, and together in partnership with family like yours, we make this a reality. This open house format offers prospective families the opportunity to explore the aspects of academic and student life at University Middle and High School Academies. Be sure to check out the links below and learn more about the Uni Difference.